Guess what, people? It's spring. So it's that time for rain, thunderstorms, tornadoes, and worst of all, wasps. But there's one good thing that comes with spring. It's a mowing season. It's time to cold start the mowers. I'm only going to be cold starting this one today. That one, I don't know. That one the weed eater mower is having a little problem. It used to be louder and faster at mowing, but it seems like it's slowed down. I don't know what it is. Is there something under here there's something here that controls the speed of the mower? But no. The trolley built usually starts in one pull, just like always, so yeah. It's rare for it to not start in one pull. This thing's, I don't know how old this thing is, but it's pretty old and it still starts up in one pull. Alright, so we ran out of gas to put in the mower. Hopefully we have some in here already. Hopefully we have a little bone dry. Yep, it's dry. Alright. So there's no gas in the motor. Alright. Oil seems okay. So everything's okay on here. Well, except for the gas, it's empty. So yeah. But soon this will start running again. Alright. Let's cold start this thing. I got everything done. The sides, the front, but not the backyard. As you can see, the side yard was pretty tall. You just see all those grass clippings. I was originally going to record myself mowing the side yard because of how tall it was, but I was so focused on mowing that I forgot about it. So this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys later and bye.